With the growing demand for remote work, more industries are offering high-paying work-from-home jobs. Here's a breakdown of the top industries, required skills, and companies currently hiring. 1. Customer service skills require strong communication, problem-solving, and empathy. Why it's a great remote job. Companies need skilled customer support representatives to handle inquiries, resolve issues, and ensure customer satisfaction. Many offer flexible schedules and full benefits. Companies hiring. Amazon, remote customer service jobs with great pay and benefits. 𝗪𝗏𝗃, work-from-home call center and customer service roles. Teleperformance, offers remote positions for tech support and customer service. 2. Virtual assistants, skills require organization, email management, scheduling, and social media management. Why it's a great remote job. Virtual assistants support businesses by managing administrative tasks, making this role ideal for those with strong organizational skills and multitasking abilities. Companies hiring. Belay specializes in hiring skilled virtual assistants. Zirtual offers virtual assistant jobs for experienced professionals. 3. Freelance writing and content creation, skills required. Excellent writing, research skills, and SEO knowledge. Why it's a great remote job. Content creation is in high demand, with businesses needing articles, blogs, and marketing copy. Freelancers can earn well over $20 per hour, especially with niche expertise. Companies hiring. Textbroker pays writers based on content quality. Medium allows writers to earn through engagement and readership. ProBlogger, a great platform for finding high-paying freelance writing gigs. 4. Online tutoring. Skills require subject expertise, teaching experience, and strong communication skills. Why it's a great remote job. Online tutoring allows educators to earn good money by teaching students worldwide. Many platforms offer flexible scheduling and competitive pay. Companies hiring. Wyzant connects tutors with students for one-on-one lessons. 𝗘𝗍𝗽 offers opportunities for language and subject tutors globally. 5. Data entry and transcription, skills required. Fast and accurate typing, attention to detail. Why it's a great remote job. Data entry and transcription jobs are ideal for those looking for flexible, low-stress work-from-home opportunities. High accuracy and speed can lead to higher earnings. Companies hiring. Clickworker offers various data entry and AI training tasks. Rev pays well for transcription and captioning work. Final thoughts. The demand for remote work continues to rise, providing job seekers with diverse opportunities to earn a competitive salary from home. Whether you prefer customer service, content creation, or online tutoring, these industries offer lucrative work-from-home jobs paying $20 per hour or more. Start applying today and take advantage of the remote work revolution.